Welcome to AK and Sprint Education. Myself Naveen, I am the maths mentor, and today's session let us discuss about partial fraction. I mean part 2, as we have discussed in part 1 type 1 method of problems, and in this video let us discuss about type 2 method of problems. So resolve 2x square plus 3x plus 4 divided by x minus 1 into x square plus 2 into partial fractions. So our general equation 2x square plus 3x plus 4 by x minus 1 into x square plus 2. As if you observe here, denominator is x minus 1 and x square plus 2. Okay, whose degree is 1 and here degree is 2. This I can write as a by x minus 1 plus bx plus c by x square plus 2. I can write as a by x minus 1 plus bx plus c by x square plus 2. Right? Now 2x square plus 3x plus 4 divided by x minus 1 into x square plus 2 is equal to, as the LCM is x minus 1 into x square plus 2, cross multiplication a into x square plus 2 plus bx plus c into x minus 1. Right? As the denominators are gets cancelled, as the numerator is 2x square plus 3x plus 4 is equal to a into x square plus 2 plus bx plus c into x minus 1. Okay children. Now to get the value of b, to get the value of a, what I want to do, in the place of x I want to substitute 1. If I put in the place of x1, 1 minus 1, it becomes 0. 0 into this term, it becomes 0 only. Okay children. So what I want to do, I want to put in the place of x what? 1. Right? Now put x equal to 1. So 2 into 1 square plus 3 into 1 plus 4 equal to a into 1 square plus 2 children. Is it clear children? I am not substituting here. So if I put 1 here, 1 minus 1 0, 0 into something 0 only. This total term will become 0. Right? So 2 into 1 square 1, 3 1 are 3 plus 4 equal to a into 1 square 1 plus 2. 2 1 are 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 4 9 equal to a into 1 plus 2 3. So 9 equal to 3a, 3 1 are 3 3 are. So what is the value of a? As the value of a is 3. Right? Now what we want to do, to find the value of actually here we have to find the value of b and c. Right? So now put x equal to 0. What will happen now? If I put x equal to 0, b into 0, it becomes 0 children. Okay. Now let me put x equal to 0. If I put x equal to 0, so 2 into 0 square plus 3 into 0 plus 4 equal to a into 0 square plus 2 plus b into 0 plus c into 0 minus 1. What I did here, to get the value of b value will become 0, to get the value of c, because already we know the value of a. What I am doing, I am putting x equal to 0. 0 into something 0, 0 into something 0, as we will get here 4. A into 0 square means 0, 0 plus 2, 2 plus b into 0, 0. So c into minus 1, right? So 4 equal to 2a plus into minus minus. So c 1 ja c. We know that the value of a, 4 equal to 2 into 3 minus c. So 4 equal to 2 3 ja 6 minus c. Plus 6 you transpose 4 minus 6 equal to minus c. 4 minus 6 minus 2, minus minus gets cancelled. What is the value of C? The value of C is 2. Is it clear, children? To get the value of C, what we did? In the place of x, we substituted 0. Now, b into 0? 0. So, b term becomes 0. Already we know the value of A. If we substitute, you will get the value of C. Right? We got the value of A and C. To get the value of B, what we will do? Let us equate the coefficient of x square. Children, if you observe properly, if I multiply A into x square, okay, let me write down. So I can write as 2x square plus 3x plus 4 equal to A into x square, ax square plus A into 2a, 2a plus bx into x, bx square plus into minus minus bx into 1, bx. Now c into x, cx minus c into 1, c. Right? So this I can simplify as, if I take x square as common, I will get a plus b. From these two terms I can take plus x as common, I will get c minus b, and then constants are 2a minus c. Right? We need to get the value of b, right? So here x square coefficient is 2, whereas here x square coefficient is a plus b. I can equate x square coefficients, right? So a plus b equal to how much? A plus b equal to 2. As we got the value of a is 3, so 3 plus b equal to 2. So b equal to what? 2 minus 3. So what is the value of b, children? As the value of b is minus 1, right? We got the value of a, b and c. So I can write it as a value how much? 3. 3 by x minus 1 plus b value is minus 1 into x plus c value is 2 divided by x square plus 2. So further we can write as 3 by x minus 1 plus 2 minus x by x square plus 2. So what is the answer? 3 by x minus 1 plus 2 minus x square by x square plus 2. Is it clear, children? The thing is, before proceeding the problem, just think it. What to put in the place of x? Either we have to put x value 0 or 1 or minus 1 according to the situation. If you put the value of x, you will get the values of a, b, c. If I put in the first case, I kept x plus 1, then I put it x plus 0, then we equated x square coefficient. So we got the values of a, b, c, then we simplified, right? This is our first problem. Now coming to second problem, resolve x square minus 3 by x plus 2 into x square plus 1 into partial fractions, right? X square minus 3 divided by x plus 2 into x square plus 1, I can write as a by x plus 2 plus bx plus c by x square plus 1. The same method problem, children. So you have to see what is there in the denominator. If the degree is 2, then we need to write that into as bx plus c by x square plus 1. Okay, children? Now, x square minus 3 divided by x plus 2 into x square plus 1 equal to LCM is x plus 2 into x square plus 1 cross multiplication a into x square plus 1 plus bx plus c into x plus 2, right? Now, as our denominator is x square minus 3 equal to a into x square plus 1 plus bx plus c into x plus 2. Okay, children? Think it. What we need to substitute in the place of x to get the value of a? See, children, if I substitute in the place of x minus 2 plus 2, it will become 0. 0 into something, 0. So let me put x equal to what? Put x equal to minus 2. So minus 2 whole square minus 3 equal to a into minus 2 whole square plus 1. Minus 2 whole square 4 minus 3 equal to minus 2 whole square 4 plus 1. 1 equal to 4 plus 1 5. 5 into a 5a. So 1 by 5 equal to a. So what is the value of a? As the value of a is 1 by 5. Now again same method. If I substitute in the place of x, if I put x equal to 0, what I will get? Let me put x equal to 0. 0 square minus 3 equal to a into 0 square plus 1 plus b into 0 plus c, b into 0 plus c into 0 plus 2. Children, minus 3 equal to a into 0 square means 0 plus 1 1, b into 0 0 children. So c into 0 plus 2 2. So minus 3 equal to a into 1 a plus 2 into c 2c. Right? As we got the value of a how much? 1 by 5, right? So minus 3 equal to a value 1 by 5 plus 2c. 1 by 5 you transpose, minus 3 minus 1 by 5 equal to 2c. Here nothing means 1. As the LCM is 5, 5 into minus 3 minus 15 minus 1 into 1 1 equal to 2c. Minus 16 by 2 5 jar 10 equal to c. 2 8 jar 2 5 jar. So what is the value of c, children? As the value of c is minus 8 by 5. Right? Yes. Now to get the value of a value we got, b value we got. Let us find the value of c. C value we got, a c we got. We need to find the value of b. See children, here we need to equate again x square coefficients. See, this I can write as x square minus 3 equal to a into x square, ax square plus a into 1 a, bx into x, bx square, bx into 2 2bx, c into x, cx plus c into 2 2c. Again x square minus 3 equal to equate x square, if you take x square coefficient as common, x square as common, you will get a plus b. If you take x as common, you will get 2b plus c, and then constant are 2c plus a. Equate coefficient of x square, here nothing means 1, here a plus b. I mean a plus b equal to 1. We got the value of a 1 by 5. 1 by 5 plus b equal to 1. 1 by 5 you transpose, 1 minus 1 by 5. So nothing means 1, LCM 5, 5 1 ja 5, 1 1 ja 1. 5 minus 1, 4. So what is the value of b? As the value of b is 4 by 5. A value 1 by 5, b value 4 by 5 and c value minus 8 by 5. So let us substitute in general equation. A we got 1 by 5, 1 by 5 into x plus 2 plus b value we got 4 by 5, 4 by 5 into x, and c value we got minus 8 by 5 by x square plus 1. So I can write as 1 by 5 into x plus 2, LCM is 5, 4x minus 8 by 5 into x square plus 1. So that is our partial fractions. 1 by 5 into x plus 2 plus 4x minus 8 by 5 into x square plus 1. Children, to get the value of b, we need to equate the coefficient. That is the only one thing we have to think it. That's all. Remaining everything is easy only. Putting your values to get the values of a, b, c. Okay children. So this is our second problem. Now coming to problem number 3, resolve 2x square plus 1 by x cube minus 1 into partial fractions. So our general equation is 2x square plus 1 by x cube minus 1. 1 I can write as 1 cube, right? Now which is in the form of what? A cube minus b cube, which is equal to, what is the formula? A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. A square plus ab plus b square. Is it clear? What is the formula of a cube minus b cube? A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So this I can write as 2x square plus 1 by x minus 1 into x square plus x into 1 x plus 1 square 1. Right? So further we can write it as a by x minus 1 plus bx plus c by x square plus x plus 1. Okay children? Now 2x square plus 1 by x cube minus 1 I can write as, here LCM is x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1 cross multiplication a into x square plus x plus 1 plus bx plus c into x minus 1. Okay children? Now if I substitute in the place of x1, okay, first let me cancel. So 2x square plus 1 equal to a into x square plus x plus 1 plus bx plus c into x minus 1. Okay, now let me substitute, put x equal to 1. What will happen children? 1 minus 1, 0. 0 into something, 0. Right? This term will become 0. Okay, put x equal to 1. 2 into 1 square plus 1 equal to a into 1 square plus 1 plus 1. This term will become 0. 2 into 1 2 plus 1 equal to 1 square 1, 1 plus 1 which is equal to 3. So 3 equal to 3a. 3 1 ja, 3 1 ja. So what is the value of a children? As the value of a is 1. Again put x equal to 0. If you substitute in the place of x 0, b into 0, this term will become 0, right? So put x equal to 0. Now 2 into 0 plus 1 equal to a into 0 square plus 0 plus 1 plus b into 0 plus c into 0 minus 1. This will be 1, a into 1, b into 0 0, 0 plus c, c into minus 1 minus c. So 1 equal to a minus c. We got the value of a 1 equal to 1 minus c. Plus 1 you transpose minus 1, 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. What is the value of c? As we got the value of c is 0. Right? A value we got and c value we got. Again equating the x square coefficient. Simply here ax square and here bx square. Right? By equating coefficients, here the coefficient of x square is 2 children. And here a plus b. 2 equal to a plus b. As the value of a is 1, 2 equal to 1 plus b. 1 you transpose, 2 minus 1 equal to b. 2 minus 1, 1. So what is the value of b? As the value of b is 1. So further we can write the given equation as a. A means 1 by x minus 1, b value 1 into x plus c value 0 by x square plus x plus 1. So we can write as 1 by x minus 1 plus x by x square plus x plus 1. Right? 1 by x minus 1 plus x by x square plus x plus 1. Children, did you understand how to resolve into partial fractions? So these are the problems we have done in this video. This is type 2 method of problems. Actually this chapter carries totally 8 marks children. We did in 2 videos. So kindly watch these 2 videos and don't forget to hit subscribe button, like it and share it with your friends children. Thank you.